Good morning, guys. Here we've got POCO C65 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First, open the settings, then find and select passwords and security and click on fingerprint unlock. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. You just have to remember it, otherwise you will have to reset your phone once you forget both pattern and you do not have your fingerprint around, whatever. But then you will have to hard reset your device, so you will lose all your data. So just click on got it to confirm that you are aware of it, and now provide the pattern or PIN code, whatever you picked, then click on confirm. And now it is time to add your fingerprint. So your sensor is located on your power button right here. Just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or you can use the pattern that you set. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.